Parking. Information. Charlie, read to copy.
You are cleared to Oscar, Mike, Romeo, Kilo, Via, Romeo, India, Kilo, Echo, 4, Foxtrot, 4,000 feet. Contact when ready to start.
Cleared to Oscar, Mike, Romeo, Kilo, Via, Romeo, India, Kilo, Echo, 4, Foxtrot, 4,000 feet. When ready to start.
Redback is correct.
Ground, Sierra, Golf, 5-6, request startup. Sierra, Golf, 5-6, startup approved. Report when ready to taxi. Will go. Taxi. Sierra, Golf, 5-6, taxi to holding point runway. 30, right.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. If you haven't already done so, please stow or carry on luggage underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt, and also make sure your seat back and folding trays are in their full upright position. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, please read carefully the special instructions card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in the event of an emergency, please ask a flight attendant to reseat you.
Ground. Request pushback.
Pushback approved at own discretion.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your chief flight attendant. On behalf of our captain and the entire crew, welcome aboard. At this time, make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright position and that your seat belt is correctly fastened. Also, your portable electronic devices must be set to airplane mode until an announcement is made upon arrival. Thank you.
Ground. Request taxi.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the crew, we request your full attention as the flight attendants demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Take a minute to locate the exit closest to you. Note that the nearest exit may be behind you. Count the number of rows to this exit. Should the cabin experience sudden pressure loss, stay calm and listen for instructions from the cabin crew. Oxygen masks will drop down from above your seat. Place the mask over your mouth and nose, like this. Pull the strap to tighten it. If you are traveling with children, make sure that your own mask is on first before helping your children. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing on a destination, leave your carry-on items behind. Life rafts are located below your seats in emergency.
Ground. Request taxi.
Taxi to holding point runway. 30, right.
Roger. Taxi to holding point runway. 30, right.
Alpha, 1-6, round, landed it. 1-5, report runway vacated. Ground, Alpha Bravo, Quebec 2-1-6, runway vacated. Request taxi to gate. Alpha Bravo, Quebec 2-1-6, continue taxi to gate.
Now ready for takeoff. Please make sure your seatbelts are fastened and all baggage is secured underneath your seat or in the overhead compartments. We also ask that your seats and table trays are in the upright position for takeoff. Please switch to airplane mode or personal electronic devices including laptops and cell phones. Enjoy your flight.
Ground, holding point runway. 30, right.
Contact tower on 118.750.
Roger. Tower, good day. Holding point runway. 30, right. Ready for departure.
Wind 227 degrees, 4 knots. Clear for takeoff runway 30 right. Report leaving 3,000 feet.
Clear for takeoff runway. 30, right. Call you back passing 3,000 feet. Knots. B1. Rotate. Gear up.